Hello, my name is Carrie Laviolette, and I'm honored to serve as the Superintendent of the Iberia Parish School District. I would like to introduce you to a very important election that will be held on Saturday, May 4th. It is the Iberia Parish School Board Maintenance and Operations Ad-Valorem 10-year millage renewal that will not increase your property taxes. This renewal is necessary to maintain all of the 27 beautiful schools and 5 buildings that you most generously supported over the years. The Iberia Parish School Board takes very seriously its role to be good stewards of taxpayer dollars, as evidenced by the fact that the Iberia Parish School District has maintained a strong B letter grade, even with the bar being raised by the state during the 2017-18 school year. Additionally, Iberia Parish was recognized by the Louisiana Department of Education as one of 10 top gain school districts and was first in the state for the growth of students with disabilities. For all these reasons, I urge you to go to the polls and vote on May 4th. The renewal will not increase your current property taxes, and 13,000 students depend on it to have a positive learning environment. Thank you for listening.
Please vote May 4th.
I'm Bobby Norris, CFO and Business Director. For over 50 years, the voters of Iberia Parish have renewed the school board's maintenance and operation tax. This tax generated $3.7 million last year and went to pay over $5.2 million in maintenance and operational expenses. Expenses such as roof repairs, $90,000, electrical additions and maintenance, $122,000, grounds maintenance, over $2,178,000, heating and air conditioning repairs, over $2.2 million, garbage disposal, over $225,000. These expenses maintain the school board's 27 schools and 5 offices. We want our school children and employees to be in a safe and clean environment. Please vote May 4th, and remember, this is not a new tax, it's a renewal. Thank you.
Please vote May 4th.
Hello, I am Harry Lopez Jr., General Manager of Maintenance with the Iberia Parish School Board. My primary responsibility is the maintenance and operations of our schools, office facilities, and grounds. The maintenance and operation 10-year tax renewal is the major funding source which allows the Iberia Parish School Board to upkeep its buildings and grounds. Let's see some examples of what this funding provides for. This funding provides for grass cutting, trimming, weed control, horticulture and arbor services, and drainage. This funding provides for all of our electrical requirements, which include power transmission and distribution, lighting, emergency signage, and control wiring. For example, here's a recently upgraded master control center. It also provides for keeping our heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems in working order. This includes our chillers, piping, pumps, compressors, air handlers, and split systems. This funding provides for our floor care equipment, as well as our cleaners and our wax. It also provides for our disinfecting chemicals, soaps, paper products, and all of our plumbing and fixture repairs. This funding provides for repairs to concrete, fencing, gates, covered walks, roofs, and canopies. This is an example of a canopy that has been recently completed. This funding provides for the maintenance of doors, glass, windows, locks, panic devices, and closures. Also, it provides for card access which promotes the security of our staff and students. Projects supported with this funding are rarely seen or noticed by the public. However, they are essential to the functioning of our schools and offices. We average nearly 5,000 repair requests per year that are paid for by these funds. The Maintenance and Operations Tax Renewal is very important to our system and bears no increase to the taxpayers. Please vote on May 4th.
Please vote May 4th.
We hope to see you at the polls on May 4th.
Remember, it is a tax renewal. No additional taxes. Thank you.